Hey there, this is Maxim from VideoExpander. In this video I will show you how to AI uncrop videos for free. So first of all, what is AI uncropping? Well, we all know what cropping a video means. This is when you cut the edges of a video, for example to focus more on the video in the middle. Uncropping is doing exactly the opposite. Instead of cutting away existing areas of the video, it uses AI to generate new areas around your video that make sense with the original. This way we can artificially zoom out our video or change the aspect ratio without cutting anything away. So let me show you how to do this. First, you need to go to videoexpander.ai/uncrop video. Then drag your video into this box. Now we see a preview canvas of what will be uncropped. You can choose to uncrop into a different aspect ratio, but for this one I want to keep the same aspect ratio and just zoom out this shot. With the padding setting I can adjust how much it will be zoomed out. Let's do 40% for now. I will keep it on the free tier for this example and click Outpaint. After 16 minutes there is our result. Let's check it out. Here's before and here's after. As you can see, the original video stayed the same quality and it beautifully uncropped the areas around it to create a zoomed out version. Now, you might be wondering, can we uncrop this video again? And yes, we can. Let's try it. I will just click the same aspect ratio again and zoom out again, outpaint and wait. There we go. Here's an even more zoomed out version of our video. What I really love about this technology is that you can use it to fix something. For example, if your shot is too zoomed in, you can correct it like that. But you can also use it to improve your video artistically. For example, by uncropping this video twice, we really created this wide panorama feel that would be really hard to achieve otherwise. If you want to try to uncrop a video yourself, you can do this for free on videoexpander.ai. I hope to see you there. Thank you for watching and have a great day.